It's no secret that today's construction landscape has changed. Rising costs, tighter timelines, and skilled labour shortages have pushed contractors to find new and innovative methods to stay ahead of the game. What if you could shorten construction time? What if you could reduce the reliance on skilled labour? And what if you could save money on every job without cutting corners? Would you? Introducing Geoplast, the world's first plastic modular formwork system. Manufactured in Italy from strong ABS plastic, each panel connects together using tool-free nylon locking handles. This greatly reduces the requirement of skilled labour and manpower and provides fast and easy forming of almost any structure. With each panel weighing less than 11 kilos, Geoplast is safer to handle than conventional formwork and reduces the need for handling equipment. This also makes it very simple to disassemble the formwork and move it around site, as well as reducing transport costs. Some contractors have reported up to 50% reduction in setup time, saving countless hours and thousands of dollars. Geoplast is also eco-friendly and sustainable. When maintained correctly, Geoplast can be reused up to 100 times, and the ABS plastic forms are fully recyclable at the end of their service life. Let's have a look at Geoplast's 4 different systems. GeoPanel is a wall forming system to create walls, bridge structures, capping beams, pit structures, foundations, lift shafts and more. With 12 different panel sizes from 150mm to 1200mm and a growing number of accessories, the GeoPanel system has already been a game changer on many projects. A few recent projects using GeoPanel include forming hundreds of metres of varying height retaining walls at a secondary school project in Drysdale. Since then, the same contractor has used the panels on another 2 similar projects. GeoPanel was the perfect time-saving solution to repair a damaged bridge in northeast Victoria, minimising disruptions to the traffic flowing over the bridge.
Hi, my name's Gavin Walker from Waratah Bridge Constructions, and we're 15k south of Beechworth working on the Golden Ball Bridge for Vic Roads and Downer. We've worked closely with Allcon and Geoplast formwork systems. It's a lightweight system, very fast to install, and the product is excellent, and Allcon's service is excellent. It's helped us really get this project going quickly and across the line.
Forming stormwater pits and bunda tanks is simple thanks to Geoplast's modular design. GeoTub Panel is another great Geoplast product for forming square and rectangular columns. GeoTub Panel was developed to be as simple, as lightweight and as affordable as possible. Featuring a built-in fillet edge, the GeoTub system can form 55 different column sizes. It was perfect for a high school redevelopment in Upper Victoria, forming over 70 columns from 900mm to 4.9 metres in height. The GeoTub panel is able to reduce column forming time by over 50%.
Hi, my name's James and I'm from JH Construction Consultants and Contractors, and at our Upway job here in the Dandenong Ranges, we have chosen to use Geoplastic system when doing the same size columns over and over and over again. It makes sense to use them because they can literally just top off, take off a panel, move to the next, and they're variable in sizes. You can just change them around as you need be. So I highly recommend Geoplastic from Allcon.
Similar to the GeoTub panel, GeoPanel Star is also used to form square and rectangular columns. However, the main difference is the system only has 3 panels. Each panel can adjust in 100mm increments to form columns from 200mm to well over 1 metre wide. The Peak apartment building in Melbourne CBD was the perfect candidate for GeoPanel Star, with a small footprint and 43 stories of columns varying from 250mm to well over 2 metres wide. At another secondary school project in Malvern, the contractor used GeoPanel Star to form the building's many columns. He was able to reduce the overall column forming time significantly and found he required less men on site to perform the same tasks. Where round columns are called for, GeoTub Round is the answer. This system is a revolution to the formwork market, as is one of the only reusable round column formwork systems on the market today. Forming round columns from 250mm to 1 metre in diameter is surprisingly simple and extremely cost effective thanks to this innovative modular design. Each section stacks compact for transport, greatly reducing freight costs. GeoTub Round has literally saved contractors thousands of dollars, from forming hundreds of 600mm columns on a Bunnings warehouse project in Sydney to forming columns to suspend a retirement village over water in Woodend, Victoria. And being able to split the column formwork in half means column encasements are a breeze. That about covers the 4 systems. However, not all concrete structures are round or square, so why not combine 2 systems together? With the exception of the Geotub panel, all systems can be used together. In Reservoir Victoria, a combination of both Geotub round and Geotub panel were used to form bridge columns and abutments for a pedestrian bridge in the Rathcown Reserve. In Port Adelaide, after 60 years of being exposed to seawater, the port structure was in need of some serious repair. Geopanel wall system and Geopanel star were used to create a three-sided form which was built on dry land and then lowered into the water. If it were timber, it would swell. If it was steel, it would rust. Plastic was the perfect solution. Geoplast is available exclusively through Allcon Group in Australia. We hold large stocks of Geoplast alongside our range of concrete construction accessories and equipment. We work closely with our clients, providing 3D renders of formwork designs, technical drawings, and even on-site support where needed. If you have a project that needs a smart formwork system, contact our team today at 1300 Allcon or visit us at www.geoplast.com.au to find out more.